Are you tired of being out in nature only to find your gadgets dead? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. ZAO 100 WPW Portable Solar Panel. The ZAO 100 WPW Portable Solar Panel caught my eye with its impressive 23.5% efficiency rating and versatility. Priced at $106.99, it's positioned as a solid choice for both casual campers and serious off-grid enthusiasts. If you want a reliable source of power for your adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this panel is a game changer for you. With the 23.5% efficiency, you're getting more power from less sunlight, which is crucial when you're out camping and want to maximize every ray. Plus, the 5-in-1 universal connectivity means you can charge almost any power station out there without the hassle of extra adapters. This is ideal when you're trying to keep your devices running smoothly during your trips. The panel is also IP67 waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about it getting soaked during an unexpected rain. And with a weight of just 9.5 pounds, it's easy to carry around. However, some users mentioned its weight might be a bit much for ultralight backpackers. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on power and efficiency over weight, this panel is still an excellent option. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable solar solution for camping or RV trips. Skip this one if you're a hardcore backpacker looking for ultralight gear, but for the price and features, it offers great value. Now, if the ZAO 100W's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its ultralight design. Product number 2. Flex Solar 100-Watt Portable Solar Panel. The Flex Solar 100-Watt Portable Solar Panel is a standout with its slim and lightweight design, weighing just 4.1 pounds and priced at $79.99. What really impressed me was how easy it is to transport, making it perfect for spontaneous outdoor trips. If you want a portable solar solution that doesn't compromise on power, this is worth a serious look. This panel features an 18-watt USB-A and a powerful PD 3.0 45-watt USB-C output, which is crucial if you're looking to charge devices quickly. The high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon allows for over 23% energy conversion, so you're making the most of the sunlight available. When you're out hiking and need to charge your phone, this means reliable power when you need it most. However, some users did mention that the charging speed could be slower in overcast conditions. Now, here's the thing. If you plan on using it primarily in sunny weather, this won't be a deal breaker. Just keep in mind that it thrives best in bright sunlight. This is perfect for you if you prioritize portability and emergency charging on your outdoor adventures. Skip this if you need a high-capacity solution to power larger devices, but for small gadgets, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3. GRE-CEL 100W Portable Solar Panel. We have the GRE-CEL 100W Portable Solar Panel, which is priced at $79.99. It brings a foldable design that's incredibly user-friendly and makes it easy to set up anywhere. If you want a no-fuss option for charging your gear while camping, this is worth a serious look. This panel comes with a variety of connectors, making it compatible with most power stations out there. It also boasts a solid 23.5% efficiency, ensuring you're maximizing your solar gain. The smart chip technology means it recognizes your device, optimizing the charging speed while protecting against overloads. This is crucial for keeping your devices safe while they're charging in the great outdoors. However, one downside some users pointed out is that the panel can be a bit bulky when folded. But honestly, if you're looking for ease of setup and versatility, this minor annoyance isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable solar panel that works with various devices. Skip this if you're really tight on space, but the value for what you get here is impressive. Now, if you're looking for something with even better efficiency, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4. Renogy 100-Watt Solar Panel. The Renogy 100-Watt Solar Panel stands out with a stellar 25% efficiency and is priced at $74.79. This panel is designed to provide higher output power, which is exactly what you want if you're serious about off-grid living or long camping trips. If you want top-notch efficiency for your solar needs, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this panel is its advanced 16BB cell technology that minimizes hotspots and enhances performance in high temperatures. This is crucial when you're in sunny areas where heat can impact power generation. With its IP65 rating, you can trust it to withstand various weather conditions without losing performance. Some users have expressed concerns about the weight at 13 pounds, noting it can be a bit heavy for backpacking. But honestly, if you're focused on maximizing your power output, that weight is a reasonable trade-off. This is perfect for you if you need high-efficiency solar panels for RVs or off-grid homes. Skip this if you're planning to hike long distances with it, but the performance is hard to beat for the price. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the next one could be just what you need. Product number 5. HQST100W monocrystalline solar panel. We have the HQST100W monocrystalline solar panel, which is the most budget-friendly option at $59.99. It's designed for those who want reliable power without breaking the bank. If you want a solid solar panel for battery charging on a budget, this is worth a serious look. Featuring 9 busbars technology, this panel improves performance by reducing microcracks. With a 25% efficiency rate, you're getting a great output for a lower price. This is especially beneficial if you're looking to generate power consistently throughout the day, even with limited sunlight. However, some users mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky if you're a beginner. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the provided instructions, it's manageable. The savings you get from this panel are definitely worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution for RVs or off-grid applications. Skip this if you prefer high-end features, but for the price, it's hard to argue against its value. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap it up. To recap, we've looked at 5 solid 100-watt solar panels. The ZOU-PW stands out for efficiency, Flex Solar for portability, Gree-Cell for versatility, Renogy for high efficiency, and HQST for budget-friendly options. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Renogy 100-watt solar panel because of its high efficiency and durability in tough conditions. Avoid the HQST if you're looking for advanced features, as it may not meet those needs.